Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double box break of 1394 of 1516 Upper Deck Contours. Last team that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on July 21st at 6:54 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Over to our current day and times. Currently Friday, July 22nd at 12:10 a.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on breakers here. Good night, John. And for anybody that hasn't registered on a break page, you can register your account there. And scroll down to everything else in the queue there. We do have a nice little $29 mixer break. $29 mixer break there. $13.94. Reserve numbers tonight are 84369, 774915, and 9270. So our second set numbers. Tour box numbers 4915, 9270. Sealed. Okay, so here we go. So we got 4915. And we start the break off with a rookie jumbo fabrics, some soft corners on both ends there of Vladimir Tarasenko, the St. Louis Blues, and a sapphire of Evgeny Malkin, number 93, $4.99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And we have a Contours rookie resume of Chandler Stevenson for the Capitals. Looks like a slight crease on right in the corner up there. And a little bit of chipping on the top there too. So whoever has the Capitals, just letting you be aware of that. And a Jonathan Taves out of $4.99 for the Blackhawks. I'll grab that UPC code and I'll send it with your package there to Washington. And the next one is a rookie resume autograph of Colton Parayko going out to the Blues. This one actually looks pretty fine. And a James Van Riemsdyk out of 99 for Toronto. And base. And a high profile fans of Jason Presley going out to the Canucks. Jason Presley, high profile fans from 90210. And a rookie resume of Jack Eichel, number 314, $3.99 for Buffalo. On to box number 2, 9270. We have a rookie resume of Phil Giuseppe for the Carolina Hurricane. Giuseppe. And a Sam Gagner out of $4.99 for the Philadelphia Flyers. And we have ourselves a Show Me Some Glove, and look at the corners there. Just the way they cut these foil has been terrible all year. So yes, they Show Me Some Glove of Frederick Anderson with some very soft foil cutting along the edges there. And a Henrik Lundqvist out of $4.99 for the Rangers. That's just the wrapper there. Previous time, the way I ripped it. And we have a Contours rookie autograph of Nicholas Bataan going out to the Jets. And a sapphire of Aaron Ekblad, $4.99 for the Panthers. Nice. And final pack. Very care. And nice. Going out to the Buffalo Sabres, we have a Jack Eichel patch, number 19 of 75. A pretty filthy patch on Jack Eichel, and unfortunately there's a little bit of white dots along the bottom corner there, but that is an absolute beauty. So congratulations, Buffalo, on a nice Jack Eichel Club Crest patch. And a Brock McGinn out of 399 for the Hurricane. And base. So there we have it, guys. So I think tomorrow we got 6-box SPA ending again. And no, actually I think we got 12-box SPA ending tomorrow. And double contours and box 3 of Cup